There goes Dominique getting a good run start. Was it better with the bigger run start?
Yes.
There's Mia.
Ready? Ready? I'm gonna touch her back. Ready?
Okay, here we go. Gosh. We need to oil him up.
Yeah, do it. What? Ready?
I don't know. I'm not playing.
I'm not getting that.
There's my feet. Dad's over there loving Mia. Oh my God, Devin, you're ridiculous. And that's all she wrote.